Okay, so here I am in my rug cleaning plant here in beautiful Victoria, British Columbia, Canada, and we just got a rug in from a customer, and when it came in the door it kind of stunk a little bit. It was kind of sour, like it smelled like it was wet, and the fella, he just dropped it on the floor and dirt just came spilling out of it, and I go, oh my, I guess that hasn't been cleaned for 20 or 30 years. And he said, actually, this rug was just cleaned by your major competition. He said, you know, the one with the 2-page ad? And I went, whoa, okay, well, I guess he doesn't have a RugBadger. So let's have some fun. Let's do a RugBadger 6-second challenge on a rug that's been freshly cleaned by my competition. So let's see what happens. So as you can see here, on the floor we have some white paper. This is the Tyvek house wrap. This is the stuff that we like to use on the back of rugs sometimes just to protect them if it's a really delicate rug. But in this case, I have it down on the floor so we can really see what comes out of the rug when we do our 6-second challenge. So here goes. This is an older 90-line Chinese hand-knotted rug. And as you can see, that the paper was completely clean, right? So let's do a 6-second challenge. So here goes. I'm just going to turn it on for 6 seconds. Only 6 seconds in the same spot. So here goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so just going to roll it back and take a look. See what's really coming out of here. I don't know how anybody in their right mind could actually call this cleaning. This is all the grit. This is all the abrasive soils. This is all the soils that wear rugs out. This is the soil that your clients are paying you to remove from their rugs. And this is what happens when you clean a carpet, when you clean a rug with your top-down carpet cleaning processes, whether it be a steam cleaning or a shampoo, a dry cleaning. Bottom line is, if it's not badgered, if you haven't removed the bugs, the allergens, and the dirt and the grit, if you haven't used a RugBadger, this is what you'll find in every rug. This is our 6-second challenge. This is my challenge to the whole industry right here, right now. Next time you clean a rug, do the best job you can. Let it dry out. Take the RugBadger 6-second challenge, and I know you'll be very impressed. This will give you a competitive advantage over anybody else in your industry, in your hometown. The first ones in with a RugBadger are going to be the guys that are going to dominate this business. So, thank you for coming to RugBadger.com.